video, there's a new update inside of Animal Company, and I got the red flashlight. I have like 18 of these, so if anyone steals it, I can easily use another one.
Hey, what's this light?
Oh yeah, it's a nice light.
Here, can I show you?
Okay, so apparently it's like a whole office update and everything.
That's it. I want the flashlight.
You want a flashlight?
Haunted.
I'll get you a flashlight. Here's a pretty good flashlight. Guys, I have a cool key. I have a really cool key.
Oh, this gives you money.
What gives you money? Oh yeah, that gives you money.
It gives you money, bro.
Yeah, damn.
Wait.
How do I get money?
Come here.
How do I get money?
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
Press it. It gives you money.
I know what it does.
No, it gives you money, bro. In private lobbies.
Into these things. I ran into them 22 times.
No, it gives you money in private lobbies. Only in private lobbies.
Fake. I played this game before.
That's crazy. No. It gives you money when you die. When you die, you get money.
Give me back my goddamn flashlight.
In private lobbies, when you die in private lobbies, you get money.
I wonder what this is.
Okay, wait. First of all, I have to check this. Oh wow, they didn't patch it up. What? Wow, whoa! You can still glitch out of the map for some reason.
You ready? Come here. I'll give you a free flashlight. You ready?
Here, wait, dude. Green.
How are you invisible? Yeah.
Green.
How do I change my color and name
This
and
laser
animal
is
and
really
stuff like
awesome. This laser gives you free
can't
money.
change your name.
No, it gives you free money. The laser gives you free money, remember?
that? No. Stop
No,
trying
this is
to
the
kill me.
money
Ask
one.
me, how
No,
do I
this is
get
the
money?
money laser. This is the money laser.
Yeah, bro, this gives you money.
No,
Trust,
I'm being
done it
100%
before.
honest.
Give me like
This is the
2,000.
money laser.
No, actually, tell me, how do I get money?
Hold up. I'll show you how to get money. You know what? I'll give you a boost on money.
I added you as a friend. Yeah, damn. Yeah, it's there.
Oh yeah, hold on. You want some more?
Anyone want an apple for free?
Me!
Here, wait. Let me give you a head start. Okay.
I also want to. Wait, I also want to
Eat
change
your
my
apple.
color.
Here,
How
have
do I
a
change
shotgun.
my
Have a
color?
shotgun. Have a shotgun.
How do I change my color?
Have a
How do I
shotgun to
change
start
my
you
color?
off. Use it on the enemies. Use it on enemies.
Yeah.
Use
You just said it
the
was rare.
shotgun on enemies. Where'd the
I
shotgun
want
go?
a shotgun!
Oh, he took it.
I'm
so
launcher.
heavy.
Wait, I wanna go in.
Oh, wait, no, you go in.
know
Both of
what's
you guys
gonna
go in. It gives you money. You have to go in to get money. You go in here.
I know what it does.
No, you go in here, and then whatever's in here, you get money with. Whatever. Okay, you're not gonna get any money then. None of us are gonna get any money.
I know it just kills you.
Because that's how much money
What are
you
the
would have
gears?
gotten. That's how much money you would have gotten if you got in. Guys, I have these items for a last resort situation, okay? I have this for a last resort
Let me touch
situation.
you.
Why are you so loud?
Guys,
Yo, guys, everybody comment on the video if you want me to be the editor.
okay, if you want Doctor to be the editor, comment on the video.
What about me?
Doctor equals editor.
Wait,
Crap.
Backpacks! Take the backpacks.
what?
Take the backpacks.
Doctor, hold out your arm. Oh my gosh, your arms are short, bro.
Guys,
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
take a backpack. Both of you guys take a back. Okay, free
What do I
stick.
do? Give me a backpack.
And then I'm gonna give you guys baseball bats instead of wooden sticks.
Oh, baseball bats even better. I get the.
I want a baseball bat. No.
Wait, which do you guys
What?
want? Which do you guys want more? Do you want a crowbar, a baseball bat, a pickaxe, or a frying pan?
Help!
Frying pan.
It's stuck on my back. What? What?
I-
How? What?
Yeah, it
frying
does.
pan. Give
It
me the
does.
frying
It
pan.
does
What do I
actually
do?
hurt people. It does hurt things.
So how do I store
Wait, what do you
stuff
want?
in this?
What do you want? Do you want a pickaxe? Do you want a crowbar, a baseball bat, or a frying pan?
Two things. Frying pan? No, baseball bat, Actually, I'll take it. Okay. Second thing. Oh, bet that.
Yeah.
Second thing. How do I what do I do with the backpack? How do I store stuff in it?
You take it off and then press a button. Don't take that. Don't take that. Don't take that. Here we go.
New map. Let's go.
Oh, elevator! Come on, guys! In the elevator! All right, we're here now. What is this?
Wait, Haunted! My bag just disappeared!
Your backpack disappeared? What? It's on your back! It's on your back!
No, his bat.
Oh, his bat? Oh, wait, open your backpack! Open your backpack by pressing Y. Or, since you're holding it with your right controller, B. Okay, it wasn't in your backpack.
Dang.
What is that? Go get these phones. Shut the.
Whoa! Oh, what?
that?
Oh, wait, you're right. What is that?
What? Is that you, Haunted? Oh, no, you're code. Oh,
No, that's crazy.
Crap. Oh, crap.
Can you not be seen by it?
Haunted, are you recording right now?
Oh, don't you dare.
Wait, I'm
Don't you
confused.
dare try to touch me.
Haunted, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
Why does it look at me all the time? Anything.
Think Deep goes crazy.
Stop touching me! Oh, crap!
What is that? I just saw a hand.
Run!
Wait, can it not see you move? I don't think it can see you move.
Haunted, please.
I'm trying to track it. Touch me!
I don't think that
I
works.
see.
I don't know if I'm safe.
You can only tell when
Why does it keep looking at me?
it can only tell when you're on the ground. Run!
I think it only... What? Oh! I know! You have to be at your desk!
What?
You have to be at a desk!
I'm pushing you in. Go! Go! Hi.
Hey, relax.
It doesn't care if you love it.
I'm gonna kiss you.
It doesn't care if you kiss it. Well, it kind of does.
I'm gonna go next to
It
it.
depends on if you're at your desk or not. I thought.
Kiss.
Sup, girl? Oh, kind of cute. Should I come? Coming. What happened here? I know what happened here. I know exactly what happened here. I want to exit, please. Please let me exit. Wait.
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Please, Haunted. Haunted, please.
You're all on your own.
The place. Where are they?
just run away.
Oh my gosh, chill, stop that.
I think someone died. There's more, by the way. There's something interesting. I don't know how to leave.
No.
Don't! Making my way home.
Okay. Can you hear me? Oh. Not at all.
I killed her! I made it home!
Haunted, are you leaving?
I made it home! I did it! I'm home! Guys, I'm here! Guys, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell my stuff. We're gonna see what I get. We got barely anything.